Welcome to a Forcite tutorial on how to install standard padding into your Forcite helmet. Firstly, install the liner by inserting the part with the red label into the back of the helmet. Then, insert the 4 tabs from the liner into its allocated positions. Push down onto the sides of the liner from the front. Insert the back of the cheek pad into the back of the helmet, then press along the edges to ensure the pad is in the correct position. Repeat for the other cheek pad. Pull the chin strap down, then press the 4 red buttons from the cheek pad into the helmet. Repeat for the other side. Lastly, install the chin curtain into the chin front. You have now installed the standard padding set into your Forcite helmet. Thanks for watching.